Welcome to Mabaan or African languages or language. Today we're going to learn word Honda or Honda. Honda or Honda. Honda means or meaning of it is excuse. Excuse. Honda, Honda, excuse. In Arabic, it means isn't. Ya Honda, excuse me. Ya Honda, excuse me. On Hondanta, excuse us or we. So on, we have two C and N facing left is we. On means we. Hondanta, excuse kind of we. Or also applies as excuse us. Ikin hunting, ikin is us. Ikin hunting, excuse us. Izinkum, izinkum. In Arabic, izinkum, excuse us. Ikin hunting. On handanta, we're using we. On handanta, excuse we. So in Mabaan, we use excuse we and excuse us. And when you say in Arabic, izni, excuse me. Izni, excuse me. Yahanda, yahanda. Izni. Or excuse you, iznak. Iznak. Iznak, excuse you. Ihondin, iznak, ihondin, iznak, excuse you. Yahanda, excuse me. Izni, which is excuse me in Arabic. Izni. Isn't to make an excuse so you can leave, you can go, kind of hard. It's information, right? You have information from your boss, from your governor of the state, or from president. So when you make excuse, they can let you go if you did something, or if you're in the bus, people are closing, your way. You have to say, excuse me, Yahonda, izni. Excuse me, izni, Yahonda. And to many people, you say, in Mabaan, you say, Yahondata, excuse me, but you're saying to many people, Yahandata. To one person, to one human being, you say Yahanda. Excuse me. Isn't he in Arabic? But isn't also when things move off, disappeared, or when things open way or ways to you, when thing open opens directions to you. When someone let you go, if you are in the bus, kaniba lunji, igoksha, yahanda, or yahandata, excuse me, to one person or many people, they will let you go. They'll open door for you. And that's the meaning in those languages, in English, in Mabaan, or African or black language in English. And it's people are moving off their open way for you because of respect. They pay respect to you. But in Mabaan, we can go more into the animals, to the birds, to the chickens, right? So when chicken make a hole, or when chicken makes a hole on the ground, they dig a ground, and they can lay there, and if one chicken or many chickens, they can make holes, and they will make a hole until it feel comfortable to them, it feel good to them, so they can lay down on the dirt. And when it's so nice outside, when the day or days are nice, when the day is nice or good, they make a hole, or they dig, or they scratch up a hole and feel comfortable about that, and they will lay down and put themselves in there, put their selves in there. If they feel good, they will sit there, they will lie down and stay and enjoy the time. It's for time being. So Mabaan looks at what animals are doing, what animals are doing, what object is doing, what objects are doing. So language are coming out through observation, through experimentation, hypothesis. You look at things and what it mean to you, what it mean, what kind of things, what are you seeing, what evidence, the object's making, is it you seeing the actions, attitude, sounds, shape, or the form of the object. Then you bring words out from there, bring language from your observation, you take out because of evidence what you saw. You can go back again and look many times until you find it, or find the words. Mabaan, like, they bring words out of object. Object must to do something first, must to exist, so that we can look at object, we can go and observe and do experimentation, we do examining the object or objects, and we get out the knowledge from them, from objects, and we use it as our language, as a knowledge. So that's what Mabaan means. Mabaan, or African, look at it, what the language of Mabaan means in this case of meaning, or phenomenon, the meaning of things. So you have to pay attention to